Cartoon TV.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell you another new story and the title of the story is A Colorless Bird. There were many birds and animals living in a forest. A bird named Phoenix lived among them all. All the animals and birds of the forest used to make fun of him because of his white color. Everyone used to make fun of him by calling his name by whitewash. One day, Phoenix was collecting different kinds of fruits. That's when the parrot and deer come to him.
Wow, Phoenix! Did you collected these fruits to eat? Or will you hide your whiteness from them?
He will color himself by taking the color extract from these fruits.
Having said this, the parrot and deer go away laughing. And Phoenix started crying and goes towards his cave.
My color is white, but that's not my fault. Then why do all the animals and birds make fun of me?
Phoenix is on his way home when he finds an old turtle on the way.
What happened, Phoenix? Why are you crying? Is everything alright?
Turtle Baba, why do all animals and birds in the forest make fun of my color? I do not like such behavior of them at all.
They are all jealous of your white glowing color. That's why they treat you like this. You should not pay attention to their words.
Baba, you have many magical powers. Can't you color me with the help of those powers?
Yes, I can do it. But for that, I need some bird or animal that is ready to give you some part of his or her color.
Then I can never find any color because no animal or bird in the forest will ever give me the part of their color.
Phoenix sadly departs from there, and after reaching home, he cleaned his fruits and gathered them in a place. Time passes, but all the animals and birds keep on making fun of Phoenix.
Hey, look! Whitewash is coming.
Whitewash, don't you get jealous seeing my wings? Look how beautiful it is.
Why should I envy you? God has given different specialties to everyone. We should be happy with that and let others be happy in their life.
Now, when the poor person does not have any beautiful colors, he will say the same.
Everyone was talking like this. Only then the storm came, and all the birds and animals started running and hiding here and there to save themselves. After some time, when the storm stops, everyone goes from their place. They came out and were surprised to see the atmosphere of the forest.
Oh my God! What has happened just now? Our forest is completely destroyed.
What shall we eat now? And where will we live?
Don't worry, all of you. Everything will be fine soon. Have some patience. It's just a matter of few days.
Having patience. We can take care of our living for a few days. But what about food? There is nothing left in the forest.
Don't worry, all of you. I have enough food for all of us so that we won't have problems for the next few days. And after a few days, we will go to another forest and get food from there.
Phoenix takes everyone to his cave and gives them enough food to eat. Seeing Phoenix's generosity and good-heartedness, everyone felt bad for their behavior and bad words. After that, they started apologizing for their mistake. We have always treated you badly, but today you have helped us all without having any feeling of revenge. Thank you for that. I apologize on behalf of all of us. Please forgive us.
Your color is best and purest among us all. With this color, you look so beautiful, because of which we used to be very jealous. That's why we used to treat you like that. Forgive us.
After listening to everyone, Phoenix feels good and forgives everyone, after which they all started living happily together. So friends, the moral of the story is that we should never form an opinion about someone by looking at the external appearance of someone.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.